All right, guys. We just finished up this 2018 2500 HD. It's a little unique with it being a single cab. Thought we'd show it off a little bit. We did the McGaughys 7 to 9 inch lift, setting at 9, 2414 American Force cash wheels, and the 37 1350 Toyo MTs, open country MTs. We also added the upper control arms and the Fox Resi shocks. Just kind of wanted to go over some of that. So with this kit, we also added the top Resi mount. You can mount it to the body like we do on the rear, but most customers like this a little better. It just kind of pops out a little more. I also added the spike lug nuts. And see, this is what I was talking about on the Resi. Just kind of looks a little cooler with it mounted on top. This one looks, we mount these on the body, of course, on the rear. We did some dual exhaust on it as well. We'll go over that in a minute. It's a very cool looking truck. I'm partial to regular cabs myself. That was probably my first 5 trucks were all regular cabs, and I've always just kind of liked how they looked. My personal truck now is, of course, a crew cab because it's hard to haul a family in a regular cab. I'll get down here and show you some of it. We did have to trim on the bumper a little bit on this. Once we're done with that, we clear coat it so we don't have any issues with rust later on. Try to make it look as nice as possible so it kind of blends in. So the exhaust on this one, it's a mandrel bent 2.5 inch with 3.5 inch stainless double wall tips. Flowmaster 10 series 1 chamber. All the converters are still intact. Just changed the catback system. Has a real nice sound to it. Alright guys, that's it for now. We got a bunch more we're still building on. Several Cognito lifts, or several McGaughys kits in the shop, and a couple Cognito, some BDS lined up. Stay tuned for more. Thanks guys, bye.